Is she resisting you at all, Soleil, or she's pretty much just resting on you?
Just resting.
That's
So I've got her head in a lock position that tends to sedate them. It's kind of like when you put a tennis ball in your occiput. It actually slows your whole craniosacral fluid.
We got young people around here. Can you hold off on that language?
I'm sorry. Your cerebral fluid slows down. You go to a nice la-la land.
So talking occiputs and this and that.
Occiput.
Mark loves it when you talk like that.
Oh, I know it. That's what keeps it coming back, right?